how to disable multi-factor authentication Discord. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to log into your Discord app or your Discord account web browser, and then you just have to click on your profile right here, and you just have to click on edit profile. And after clicking on edit profile section, you just have to simply click on my accounts, and now you just have to scroll down and you can see all the authentication options are here. Like if you added a authenticator app, the option is here, and if it's enabled, like if you have enabled the authenticator app, you just simply click on the disable authenticator app. Like here it's enable authenticator app, as I have not enabled any authenticator app. You just have to simply click on disable authenticator app, and then it will instruct you to write down your password and confirm to disable the authenticator app. And later on here you can see there's a security key, like additional layer of protection to your account with a security key. If a security key is given, you can just click on remove the security key option from here, and after clicking on it, it will again ask you for the password of your Discord account, and you just give your Discord account password and type in OK, and that's it. That's how you can disable multi-factor authentication on your Discord app. See you on the next video, guys.